Hello, everyone. You will absolutely love my teaching with SuperProf English. I'm here to help. Lots of resources such as GimKit, Rosetta Stone, Ling, Memrise, uh, um, a Blue Kit, uh, my own resources, my own PowerPoint slides, um, books that we can read, ebooks, um, uh, music that we can listen to, and for whatever reason you're learning, whether it's for immigration purposes or work or travel or love or to meet new friends, whatever is your reason, or school as well. I'm here to help and make a big difference in your life with SuperProf English. So please make sure to book a class with me soon. Have a great day.